Okay, today let's learn about rotating 90 degrees, positive and negative 90 degrees. Let's adjust this first. Show you a bit, because we're using both sides to turn, not pulling draws.
Subtitles provided by the Amara All community.
Feel it out first. If the needle is positioned here, we just do it like this on both sides. Using a baffle on one side is fine. Make sure to use this torn paper to drag it up. It won't be skewed and will be very straight. Let me show everyone the details by clicking here. Right here. Then I take full responsibility for what I've clicked.
So beautiful, I had to pick these up to show you.
Remember, okay? Actually, this has a trick to it. Looks easy, right? But you haven't mastered that trick. It can't turn, or it does turn, okay? We can see that when this wheel comes out, it perfectly catches with the three wheels aligned here, right? Because the front part of the power must make contact before the back part does. Then there's resistance here. Once this is said, when it exceeds resistance, it will happen. Okay, bye, see ya. It will switch over to this segment, just like walking. We finish the path ahead before moving on to the next. Don't mention how they press against each other here. The front still presses down. The front is still pressed down. And when the back is pressed, it tears each other apart, meaning it can't turn. Got it? Understood? I'm going to grab some spicy food now. See that?
See you tomorrow.
From now on, we'll ignore the rest. Today, we'll mainly learn this position, which is the turtle turn. See? This ironing cabinet was originally installed in the front, right? Because it has 4 holes, see? These 4 holes allow it to move back and forth. And there are 4 holes here. We move to the front, move to the back, and we can rotate. In cases like this, we can only make smaller boxes. If it's big, there's not enough space here. If there's not enough space, we can go to the back. There's plenty of space in the back. We can switch to the front like a dog. Both user and the front end can switch. Meaning, it's easier to turn a little stick here without having to install a lot of stuff. A single stick can do the job. And thank you, everyone.
That's all for today.
Okay, let's turn it and see. Subtitles by Shalanya.